If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for POCO X8 Pro, then let me just quickly answer the question for you. So ideally, you want to get the genuine original Xiaomi power adapter, unless they make also like POCO or Redmi. These are pretty much the same brand, so you can use either if possible. But generally speaking, Xiaomi power adapter. And it is supposed to have 100 watts or more. Why is that? The answer is pretty simple. The phone can charge the battery using 100 watts at most. And of course, if you happen to have a power adapter that has exactly 100 watts, then you are pretty much guaranteed to have the fastest charging speed possible. So you're looking for 100 watts wired power adapter made by Xiaomi with PPS or PD 3.0. Of course, while this is the optimal choice, the best one for this phone, it is not really necessary to get specifically a Xiaomi power adapter, because if you want to, you can get another brand as well. I recommend you using at least a well-known brand, so it can be something like Samsung, Motorola, Oppo, OnePlus, and probably some other stuff. You get the idea. And so if you don't want to get a Xiaomi power adapter, you can use alternatives, but as I said, I recommend using at least well-known brands. I would avoid using like knockoffs and brands that are not really known. And of course, the case of 100 watts still applies for other brands as well. As long as the power adapter uses PPS technology or PD 3.0, you should be fine. If you happen to have a power adapter that has more than 100 watts, that is still fine. Of course, the phone will not be able to use more than 100 anyway, but still, it's still going to work. You can still charge your your phone with the power adapter that has over 100 watts, but it will not increase the charging speed. And if you happen to purchase a power adapter that has less than 100 watts, it is still fine. You can still charge your phone. That's okay. But of course, you will not be able to reach the fastest charging speed possible on this phone. So if you value the fastest charging speed possible, you're looking for 100 watts power adapters. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.